So topic is ignition test for aromatic and aliphatic compound. So basically these tests is performed to separate out whether your compound is aromatic or aliphatic, and which is an important test for second semester B Pharm pharmaceutical organic chemistry practical. So let us see the procedure first. What is ignition test? So in ignition test, what you have to do, you have to take a porcelain piece. On porcelain piece, you have to add organic compound, whether it should be a liquid or solid compounds, and then burn on burner. If your compound is burned with sooty flame means this kind of black flame. If your compound burns with sooty flame, that means your compound is aromatic compound. And if your compound burns with white flame, or you can say non-sooty flame, that means your compound is aliphatic compound. So this is the test which is used to identify, which is used to separate out aromatic as well as the aliphatic compound. Now question arise in our mind, why aromatic compound burns with the sooty flame? What kind of characteristic that is available in aromatic compound? So say for example, this is one of the aromatic compound. It is a structure of naphthalene. So if you look at the structure of naphthalene, so in aromatic compound, almost all carbon hydrogen ratio are similar. Second thing, it is a cyclic structure. And as it is a cyclic in structure, due to ring strain, oxygen cannot easily enter into the ring structure, and due to that it is called incomplete combustions. And as due to incomplete combustions, it is burns with the sooty flame. Okay, and it is a confirmatory test for the aromatic compound. So aromatic compound burns with sooty flame because of the ring structures of the carbon atom, and due to ring structures this causes the incomplete combustion of the carbon chain, and that's why they are giving the sooty flame. Thank you.